Okay, video number 2. Request to do question 7a. So I'm going to work this one through pretty slowly and do every step that I can think of. And hopefully this might give you an idea. Most of the questions in question 7a of exercise 1, or question 7 of exercise 1a, are the same process. So all we need to do is identify what is it we can see and then how to solve those. So the first part is, as you can see on the right hand side, as you can see here, we've got an addition. So we need to combine that. We need to simplify that first. We can't do anything while there's an addition sign there because we've got two terms. Okay, so we've got to make it into one term, and the way we do that is to add the fraction. So as you can see, we've got a fraction 5x plus 1 over 4, and we've got another fraction 1. So we need a common denominator. So the common denominator is quite easy here. It's 4 because the other denominator is 1. So we're going to do that over 4. The left hand side, the 5x plus 1, is exactly as it is. It hasn't changed. The right hand side, how do we change 1 into something over 4? So 1 over 1 equals something over 4. Well, it's as obvious as times by 4 times by 4, so it's 4. So we're going to have plus 4. Okay, so that's that. We haven't done anything to the left hand side yet, so we'll just leave it alone. So we've got 5x plus 1 plus 4, which is 5x plus 5, all divided by 4. Left hand side is going to come into play now, so we're going to write it in again, over 5. And this is where we go to the next step. Okay, we've got two divisions on the left and right, so what we're going to do is we're going to cross multiply. Love the cross multiply. All that simply means is we're going to get the 4 and take it up there, and we're going to get the 5 and take it up there. Not too neat, sorry about that. So effectively, because this is a division sign here, it's going to go multiply. So it's going to be the 4, 6x plus 7, and the 5 similarly is going to go to that side. 5x plus 5. Okay, just like the previous question, expand your brackets. So 24x plus 4 7s are 28. 5 times 5 is 25x plus 25. Then we're going to collect like terms. So we're going to move all the x's to one side. Well, this is 25x. Over this side will become 24x minus 25x because it's positive on the right. It becomes negative on the left. Similarly, we have 25 positive 28 minus 28. 24 minus 25 is negative 1x. 25 minus 28 is negative 3. Divide both sides. Divide both sides by negative 1. X equals 3. And we're done.